On this video today, I'm going to show you a brand new website that will pay you to copy and paste links. This is a simple strategy that you can use to make money from home. You don't need to invest any money, you don't need any skills to do this, and you can do this anywhere you are in the world. Even if you're a beginner, you can use this method because it is not complicated. Everything is copy and paste. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So as you can see, this is the website that you are going to use to copy and paste links to earn money online. You can see the name of the website is Linkvertise. So this is a brand new website that you can use to make money. So when you come here, you can see this is the home page of it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you can see Linkvertise allows you to monetize content or switch advertising. So if you want to be an advertiser here, you can select here. If you want to make money with your content, you can select here. We are going to use this website to make money. So you are going to click on monetize content. So once you click on monetize content, you are going to be directed to a page like this. So as you can see, earn money online. So when you scroll down, you can see earn up to $70 per 1,000 views. So when you shorten your link on this website and you get up to 1,000 views, you are going to earn $70, as you can see it right here. So this is a simple website that you can use to make money online. And the good news is that this link, it does not matter where the viewers are coming from, wherever they come from, you are going to earn money on this website. Your payment, you can receive it via bank transfer. You can also receive it through Amazon coupon codes, as you can see it here, and the minimum payout is $10. So this is a very good website that you can use to earn money. This is not a get rich scheme, so you are just going to generate income from this website so that you can use it to run ads for your affiliate products. That is where you can get higher commissions. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account. So you are going to come here, click on register. Once you click on register, you are going to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password. Once you confirm your password, you are going to accept the terms of service, and then you are going to confirm that the email you are using is yours. Once that is done, you are going to also check here, I am not a robot. Once that is done, you can then create an account for free on this website. So let me log in to take you through all the steps. Once you create an account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. They have an affiliate program that you can join to earn money on this website. So if you refer people, you are also going to be earning money on this website. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use this website to create links so that you can earn money with your links. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on create link. Once you click on create link, this is where you are going to paste your link. So this link can be a link to your own website, a link to your own YouTube video, a link to anything that you want. So you have to just copy the URL of anything that you want to shorten here. Once you paste it here and then get people to view the link, you are going to be paid by this website. So what you are going to do is that we are going to use how to make money online videos. So those videos, they are popular, so we are going to use them to make money on this website. So we are going to come to YouTube and then search for passive income ideas. Once you search for passive income ideas, you are going to see many videos. As you can see, a lot of videos that are getting more views. So we are going to use one of these videos to monetize. You can see this one right here. This video has blown up, as you can see, 110k views. So you can see the number of subscribers in the view. So we are going to monetize this video. So once you click on the video, you can see this is how it is. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the URL of this video. So once you have your link, you are going to go back to Linkvertise, and now you are going to come right here and then paste your link here. As you can see, once you paste your link here, you are going to move to the next step. So you are going to scroll down and come to this button. You are going to click on continue. So the next thing is that you are going to give a title to your link. So let me say money from home. Once that is done, you are going to scroll and then come to link title. So this is the main link title. So you are going to go back to the YouTube video. Once you come to the YouTube video, you are going to copy the entire link of the video. So as you can see it right here, once you copy it, you are going to go back to Linkvertise and then paste your title here. Once that is done, you are going to move to step 3. You are going to add link description. So you are going to go back to the YouTube video. Once you come back to the YouTube video, you are going to scroll down. When you come here, you can see that this video has a description. So you are going to copy the description of this video. So let's copy the description of this video as you can see it right here. Once you copy the description of the video, you are going to go back to your link and then you are going to paste it as a description here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and come to frequently asked questions. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to just drag this, paste it here, and then this one too, you are going to drag it and paste it here. This one too, you are going to drag it and then paste it here. Once this is done, you can see picture and video. It is optional, so you don't need to add anything here. So once that is done, you are going to come here and then click on continue, and you are going to see how it looks like. So as you can see, app download, you are going to off this because you don't want people to click through your link and this website will be asking them to download an app. Download manager, you are going to switch it off. Browser add-on, you are going to switch that off, so you are going to leave it with the sponsored articles and related ad topics. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue and your link is going to be created. As you can see, your link has now been created. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are just going to click on OK. And the next thing is that you are now going to drive traffic to this link. You want people to view this link so that you can earn money on this website. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use a forum to drive traffic to this link so that you can earn money on this website. So you are going to use this website, dimeforum.com. This is make money online forum that you can use to drive traffic to your link so that you can earn money with Linkvertise. So you are just going to create an account. It's free, and wherever you are, you can create an account and log in. You can see that people are posting in this website. As you can see right here, you can see 6K, you can see 5K, 25K, 213, 2K views. So this is a website that you can use to drive traffic to your link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you are going to come here, signature, and you are going to click on that. Here you are going to insert your link so that anytime you reply to a thread, your link will be displayed alongside your profile so that people can click through. So you are going to just write something like money ideas, just simple like this, because this website, they will not allow you to write a long sentence here. So you just write something like this, money ideas. Once you've written something like that, you are going to highlight it, come right here, click on insert link, and you are going to insert your link here. As you can see, you are going to paste your link and then click on update, and this particular text is now linked to your affiliate link. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on save. So once you click on save, that is not all. You are going to be posting on this website so that you can earn money with your links. So you are going to come here, click on forum. Once you click on forum, you are going to begin discussing on this forum and you can get people to view your link. So you are going to just come here, click on the forum again, click on new post. So once you click on new post, you are going to see the new posts that people have posted on this website. As you can see, 4 minutes ago, 5K view. You can see 14 minutes ago, you can see 25K view. So this is an active forum that you can use to get people to click through your affiliate link. So what you are going to do is you are going to come here, click on post thread. Once you click on post thread, you are going to select a category here. As you can see, we have make money tips and tricks articles. You can see quick question, you can see online paying program, you can see crypto groups that you can post. So we are going to use make money tips and tricks. So you are going to click on that. Here you are going to paste the title of your post. So we are going to go back to the YouTube video. Once you come back to the YouTube video, you are going to copy the title of the video. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your post and you are going to paste it as your title here. The next thing is that you are going to copy the description of the video. So once you copy it, you are going to go back to the forum and you are going to paste it as an article in this website. As you can see, you are going to come right here and then paste the description as your article. So the next thing is that you are going to write a call to action here. Click here to watch full video tutorial. Once that is done, you are going to just highlight it. So now you are going to come back to Linkvertise and you are going to copy your shorten link right here. So once you copy your link on Linkvertise, you are going to go back to your post, and this time you are going to come right here, click on insert link, and you are going to paste the URL of your shorten link here. Now you are going to post the thread right here. So you are going to come here, click on post thread. As you can see, this is my post on this particular forum. You can see this is my shorten link. So anytime people read this particular post, they are going to click through this link and they are going to be directed to your shorten link and you'll be earning money on Linkvertise.